Passive components. Already you have seen in the last video. Serpentine resistor. Serpentine resistor. This is coplanar capacitors. Already you have seen. Serpentine resistor. Low ohmic character. This part. Okay. Here. Here. Highly resistive strips. Highly resistive strips. This is width. This is length. And strips length. Strips width. Okay. N. Here 1. Then yeah, this is resistor, you know. Serpentine resistor. These resistors. That's why resistors. Okay. Then not stretchable. H. This way. Okay. This width. This width. And then height, length, this length, yeah, okay. This is yes structure, okay. Then here R equal to N into L by S rho. Rho is the volume resistivity in ohm M. Okay. L is the length of the strip. Okay. And the N. Yeah. S is the structure here. Okay. Resistance. Square resistance. This is the square resistance. So R equal to rho by H. Rho H. This is H. This H. So this unit in ohm only. So here R equal to N into L by W into R. This is process dependent. Process dependent. Design aspect ratio. Design aspect ratio. Design aspect ratio. Here, example, L divided by W 8.5. Typical available CMOS success. This column, row resistance, voltage linearity, temperature independent, for well, for diffusion, for polysilicon, for metal, for high O, that means highly resistive polysilicon. Here resistance approximately 1K in well, 1K ohm, for diffusion 100 ohm, polysilicon 10 ohm, metal 1 meg ohm. In highly resistive polysilicon 1K to 10K ohm. And then voltage linearity here only good. Here only good. Here not that much favor. well, diffusion, polysilicon. This is CMOS structures in well site, diffusion, polysilicon metal, ideal is to polysilicon. Okay. Technical mismatching, statistical Gaussian model. Device parameter. This is the device parameter WL. Here sigma square standard deviation into delta B. Delta B for changes P. Okay. Changes P. Here this is local, this is global. A square P by WL local dopant non-uniformity P square P PP square PP square D global thickness gradient general program law. Okay. Sigma of del B approximately equal to AP divided by WL AP CMOS process dependent. Statistical Gaussian model in mathematical modeling. Sigma square, that is standard deviation squaring here. Then how much changes is there? Del P equal to A square B with the length you have to multiply for local dopant non-uniformity plus add with P square PP square D thickness gradient is global. So okay, this P device parameter. Okay, this WL here, this D here, and this is distance. Okay. And then del of sigma of del P here A square here not square percent, then with not squaring then this one local. Okay, CMOS process dependent, but to be root WL the one part scaling purpose, that's all. But WL, okay, here squaring A square plus P square squaring in P device parameter. Okay. Here not dividing by WL, here only dividing. Okay. Technological mismatching. Under this technological mismatching, statistical Gaussian model. Here, example, differential pair. Here, M1, M2, two transistor connected. V INP, V INN. ID1, drain current 1, drain current 2. Okay. And then here connected together from which is this. Here also connection together. Okay. V off, voltage off condition. V INP minus VIN. Okay. When ID1 equal to both are same. Okay, that time we have to fetch, that is V of. Okay, here del square of V of equal to sigma square of del VTH plus sigma square del beta divided by G square mg, small signal uncorrelated phenomena. Here, that is small signal uncorrelated phenomena. In the small signal, that uncorrelation is there. That uncorrelated phenomena. That's why plus. That is, we are multiplying sigma square with standard deviation with V of equal to that same sigma square coming. Then how much VTH changes is there, multiply with this, then sigma square same, okay, and then how much beta changes, then multiply, and this value under this G square mg, G square mg multiplying. For low, very low, that's why you multiply. Otherwise, negative value will come. That's why multiply it. That's why. But this one we got after derivation only, but the physical meaning just I'm telling. Okay. Then V of approximately del VTH same. Here square is there, here no square, here also no square. Approximately what is happening here? This one approximately AVTH divided by WL root 1 and 2. It means 1 and 2. That's all. And then technology instruction statistical Gaussian model. Okay. Here, what's there? They are doing del ID change in the ID equal to ID2 minus ID1. This is the indifference between the ID1 and ID2 is the change of the ID. ID equal to changing ID, del ID. Del ID is the different is del ID. ID is what is here? ID1 plus ID2, then divided by 2, then only ID value will find. Divided by 2 of 50% only you have to take. That is the ID. ID1, ID2 to be add, then 50% of value will take for this ID value. Okay, and then here same sigma square standard deviation, WL local Doubent non-uniformity, PB square D global thickness gradient, del sigma del P approximately AB root WL CMOS process dependent. Example, mass current mirror, small signal uncorrelated phenomena. Sigma square del ID equal to sigma square del ID equal to sigma square del beta plus G square mg sigma square into del VTH. Small signal uncorrelated here same here. Okay. Sigma square, then beta changes, then add with in gate GM, gate size GM to be square, then sigma square, then how much threshold voltage changes, then add. That is we are getting here. Okay. And then sigma square del ID same, then divided by del ID that is with respect to del ID how much this much ID this much changes equal to 1 by WL with the length